First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So here is the 8th video for the railway exam, that is on the topic percentage. So 8th video, 9th video and 10th video will be on the topic percentage. So already I have posted 7 videos that is based on the topic measurement. So because measurement is the most important topic for the railway exam as well as for the SSC exam. So similarly, next important topic in the railway exam is the topic percentage. Because when we look at the previous year question papers of RRB JE, RRB Group D, many railway exam you can able to see minimum of 2 questions only from the topic percentage. And in 2019 you can able to see 5 questions, and even in 2022 you can able to see 4 questions that is only from the topic percentage. 2 simplification question was asked, and then 1 question that is based on marks, and 1 DA that is based on a percentage. So totally they have asked 4 questions that is only on the topic percentage in the year 2022. So percentage next to measurement topic. So give more importance to the percentage topic if you are preparing for the railway exams. If you already learnt percentage, then you can look into the video and you can watch all my upcoming videos. But if you didn't learn percentage yet, just now we are going to start the percentage topic for learning. Do one thing, right? Go to my YouTube channel. You can able to see all the percentage lesson in a perfect way, arranged in a perfect playlist, because lesson number 1, introduction, and then you have to know how to solve a basic question, and then there is some important formula in the topic percentage. Only 3 important formula that we have: x is what percentage of y, x is what percentage more or less than y, and a percentage change. So 3 important formula you can able to see in all the areas on the percentage topic. So I have thought that. And then question that is based on marks, that is percentage based on marks, election, voters based concept. So each and every category I have just posted a video, right? Inside that percentage topic we have many categories of question. So each category I have divided it and made it into a separate video. So do not forget to watch all my percentage video on my channel. I think just it takes 1 hour or 1.5 hours to watch all the videos. So once you watch the video, sure you can able to crack any question on the railway exams. I am guarantee it, right? So first try to learn and watch all these videos. Many videos here on the topic percentage has crossed 1 million views. So thank you so much those students who already watched my video. But if you are first time watching my video, do not forget to learn the percentage topic, right? So now, getting into the important part of this railway exam on the topic percentages. So first you can able to see the first model on the percentage topic is the simplification. So basic simplification question that everyone can solve, right? 90% of the students can able to solve the basic simplification question that is based on a percentage. For example, if the question is like this: 90% of 1800 plus 60% of x is equals to 270. Example I am saying. If the question is like this, everyone know how to solve these kind of question and to find the value of x. So first model question. And the second model question is same simplification, right? So same simplification that is based on sentence. Based on sentence. So this is another important area where you can able to see many questions on the railway exam that is based on this concept when compared to this. So simplification based on sentence. So which means they will not give you a direct simplification like this. They will give you this simplification part in terms of a sentence. For example, 90% of 1800, sum of 60% of x, resultant will be 270. What is the value of x? So instead of giving in the term of direct simplification, they used to give in terms of sentence. So we have to read the sentence and we have to frame a simplification, and then we have to solve the question, right? That is the model number 2. Model number 1 is very easy. So model number 2, you have to practice some question. In the next video, I will be teaching this model number 2. And then the third model. So third model is based on all the different categories, like a basic question, and then based on marks, based on population, based on election. So these are the important concept in the topic percentages. But when we look into the railway exam question papers, where 80% of the question they have asked only from the concept of marks. there are two students in a classroom. One student got 90% in max, another student got 80% in max. So similarly, by giving the student mark, our target is to find what is the person overall percentage, or what is the difference between the overall percentage of the first student and the second student. So in case if a student has to pass in the examination, how much percentage of mark he has to get. So these kind of question you can able to see in the topic that is percentage concept, that is marks. And in the most of the railway exams, we can able to see the concept that is based on the marks question. So give importance to marks more. Learn all the topic, but anyway give little bit importance to mark based question, and then simplification that is based on a sentence. So this will be the next video what I'm going to post, and this will be the third video what I'm going to post for the railway exam. So after posting this video, I will give you a test, as well as after posting this video, I will give you a test on the test series, right? So now there are some formulas, right? Three important formulas that we have in the topic percentages. X is what percentage of y. This is the first formula. And the second formula, x is what percentage more or less than y. So there are two important formula. The third formula is called as a percentage change formula. I will tell you later on. But the most important formula, but many students usually make a mistake. Why? Because they don't know which value to be written on the numerator and which value to be written on the denominator. Because for this, the formula is x by y into 100. So for this, x minus y divided by y into 100, right? So the problem here is, when you see only the word what percentage, you can use this formula. When you see what percentage more or less, then the formula will be this, right? Same what percentage we have in two sentences, but here in the first sentence we don't have more or less. So this is the formula. In case if you find what percentage as well as more or less, this will be the formula. And another important thing, right? So of and then. So don't forget these two words, of, then. So nearby to the word of, the number should come in the denominator, or else nearby to the word then, where y should come in the denominator. So keep that in mind, because they can change the question in any different format, but you have to remember that next to the word of, you have to write that number in the denominator. Keep that alone in mind, because they can ask the same sentence question in a different way. For example, what percentage of y is x? See, so x is what percentage of y? What percentage of y is x? So for both the sentence, the formula is same, right? But you have to understand that which value should come in the denominator, which value should come in the numerator. Here also we have a word what percentage first. We don't have more or less. So what percentage? So first formula. So just look at the word whether we have of or then. We have a word of. So next to the word of is y. So y should come in the denominator. The remaining x should come in the numerator into 100. So friends, understood or not, right? In case what percentage of x is y, then x should come in the denominator, y should come in the numerator, right? So don't forget that, because many students usually make a mistake, because if you put 1 by 4 into 100, answer is 25%. If you put 4 by 1 into 100, answer is 400%. So because of one change and one mistake, the complete answer might change. So don't make that mistake. So make a note of it, the two words, that is of and then. And next important formula similarly is like x is what percentage more or less than y. So next to the word than, y, so y should come in the denominator. And for both more or less, the formula is same. If we got an answer positive, then it is more. If we got an answer for this formula negative, final answer, then it is less. Right? So if we get minus 56%, then the answer should be minus 56% less or 56% less. If we got an answer in terms of positive, after substituting a value in a formula, we are getting 10%. Then we have to say the answer as 10% more. When you get positive, answer is more. When we got an answer in negative, it is less, right? So, and the third important formula that we have in the percentage topic is a plus b plus ab by 100, which is called as percentage change. This is called as a percentage change formula. So usually you can able to see this formula more on the population based question. So population based question, you can able to see this formula. For example, in 2001, the population of India, for example, the voters population, let me keep like that. In 2001, the total voters population was 61 percentage, and in 2002, the total voters population was 64 percentage. And the question will be like, what is the percentage change when compared to 2002? What is the percentage change? Or from 2001, what is the percentage change happened in the year of 2002? So you should not directly say the percentage change is 3, which is wrong, right? That is not the right way to solve it. So what you need to do is, you have to substitute the value of A as 61, value of B as 64. You have to substitute in the formula, and finally we will get some answer that is called as a percentage change. For example, in 2001, where the children population was 31 percentage. In 2009, the children population was decreased to 28 percentage. It is increased and it is decreased to 28 percentage. And what does the percentage change? If they ask a question like that, then what you need to do is, for A, you have to substitute 31. For B, you have to substitute minus 28. Why? Because here it is decrease. If it is increase, plus. If it is decrease, minus. Right? So this is the, I think I've posted a separate video on the percentage change concept in the percentage topic, as well as in the topic called profit and loss, as well as in the topic of data interpretation. I have told you this important formula and explained with some example question as well, right? So other than this, in the topic simplification, we don't have much concept, but the basics are more important. If you are like strong on the basics, and if you know how to solve each and every percentage value fastly, then you can surely crack the question. Some students will by heart a value. For example, if it is 1 by 6, or usually I am saying 1 by 6, 6.666, 3.333. So those fraction number, some students will learn the percentage value. For decimal, for example, if it is 3.333, some students will learn the answer for this is 1 by 10. The fraction for this is 1 by 10. Not exactly I am saying, just randomize I am saying. See, if it is 6.666, they will learn these kind of numbers. It is your wish. They will buy out all the fraction value for this decimal number. So according to me, it is completely your wish. If you want, you can learn, or else you can normally solve a question. So because mostly you will not find the same number in the exam, so you will find a different number. So for every number, if you start by hearting it, then it is not that much easy to by heart, and not possible itself. We might make a mistake. So better, instead of by hearting all the values, just try to understand how we need to solve a question normally, right? That is enough. So other than this, 2 formula and 1 important formula. So percentage topic, simplification, and then marks S. I think I've explained you everything in the topic first, percentage, just a basic thing. So next video, we will be solving 20 questions that is based on simplification, based on sentence. And then the next video, I will be teaching you some example question that is based on a marks based, and then remaining areas, right? So with just a small video, right? I hope if you student who already watched all my percentage topic, is just a recall, so that you don't want to waste time again by watching all the videos. So we have just recalled all the important concept. So next video, don't forget to watch and take the test. So similarly, upcoming videos, I will give you a video on that topic as well as the test, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the railway exams. So thank you so much, and see you on the next session. Bye.